In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace header. Whether you're trying to tweak your site's appearance or refresh your brand's online look, adjusting your header can make a notable difference. We'll walk through this process together, providing you with a clear guide for a successful header update. First, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Squarespace website address into the search bar. When you reach the home page, you'll notice several options. We're going to focus on the Get Started button. Clicking this will begin your Squarespace journey, leading you to the dashboard, the central hub where all the editing magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your site. To proceed, click on the Edit button. This action opens up your website for editing, granting you the ability to modify various elements. It's essential to enter this mode to make any changes. Consider your site's current design and start envisioning the improvements you wish to make. Now comes the exciting part. Hover over the header area of your website, which covers the topmost section, usually displaying your logo and menu. As you hover, you'll see an option pop up labeled Edit Site Header. Click on it. This will unveil an interface allowing you to customize the header's layout, style, and content. Customization is where you get to express your creativity. Think about the aesthetic you want to portray. Are you aiming for something sleek and modern, or perhaps something a bit more vibrant and inviting? Here, you have the flexibility to adjust fonts, colors, and the overall arrangement. Spend a bit of time exploring these settings to ensure they align with your brand's image. Remember, your header often makes that crucial first impression on visitors. After investing time and creativity into refining your header, don't forget the critical final step, clicking the Save button. This decision ensures all your edits are safely secured and published for the world to see. Overlooking this could mean your hard work remains unseen, so make it a habit to save frequently as you make additional changes. Editing your Squarespace header can really help you take control of your website's appearance, allowing it to accurately reflect your brand's identity. Embrace this newfound skill to continuously adapt and personalize your site. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.